ക്ലാസ്സുകളിൽ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് കൃത്യമായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കി കണ്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കണമെന്ന് ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. Which function is used to find the highest value in MS Excel? Option A higher, option B large, option C max, option D min. Which function is used to find the highest value in MS Excel? Option C answer max. Other question. Kaspersky is the example of which of the following? Option നോക്കാം. Option A computer virus, option B CD writing software, option D my computer, option D antivirus. Kaspersky is the example of which of the following? Option D and answer antivirus. Other question. Files accessing in one place is called dash. Files accessing in one place is called dash. Option A recycle bin, option B desktop, option C my computer, option D none of these. Files accessing in one place is called option C and answer my computer. Other question. Primary storage is referred to as. Primary storage is referred to as. Option നോക്കാം. Option A RAM, option B ROM, option C register, option D run. Primary storage is referred to as option A and answer RAM. Other question. Give the expansion of UNIVAC. Option A universal AutoCAD, option B universal accounting computer, option C universal automatic computer, option D unique valid computer. Give the expansion of UNIVAC. Option C and answer universal automatic computer. Other question. The physical part of the computer are called dash. Option A hardware, option B software, option C input, option D output. The physical part of the computer are called option A and answer hardware. Other question. Symbolic representation of folder, files or application are called dash. Option A pictures, option B icons, option C directory, option D none of these. Symbolic representation of folder, files or application are called option B and answer icons. Other question. Start button is seen on. Option A title bar, option B task bar, option C status bar, option D scroll bar. Start button is seen on option B and answer task bar. In which menu the drop cap option in is MS Word? Option A format, option B insert, option C edit, option D file. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് ആൻസർ format. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. There are 3 types of data found in a spreadsheet. Option A data, word, numbers. Option B words, numbers, labels. Option C equation, data, numbers. Option D numbers, formulas, labels. There are 3 types of data found in a spreadsheet. Option D and answer numbers, formulas, labels. Other question. Short key for cut an object or text. Option A control plus V, option B control plus C, option C control plus X, option D control plus Z. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആൻസർ control plus X. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഇത് ഇലക്ട്രോണിക് കമ്പോണന്റ് യൂസ്ഡ് in first generation of computer. Option A IC, option B transistors, option C vacuum tube, option D microprocessor. the electronic component used in first generation of computer? Option C ആണ് ആൻസർ. vacuum tube. Printer is a dash device in a computer. Option A, input device. Option B, output device. Option C, speed device. Option D, none of these. Printer is a, option B ആണ് ആൻസർ, output device in a computer. അടുത്ത question. Impression roller is situated. Option A, above the drum. Option B, below the feed tray. Option C, below the drum. Option D, above the receiving tray. Impression roller is situated below the drum. Option C ആണ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത question. Which typing carriage is moved? While typing carriage is moved. While typing carriage is moved. Option A, right. Option B, left. Option C, not moving. Option D, up and down. While typing carriage is moved, left. Option B ആണ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത question. Which part is known as heart of machine? Option A, keyboard. Option B, cylinder. Option C, mainspring. Option D, bell. Which part is known as heart of machine? Option C ആണ് ആൻസർ, mainspring. അടുത്ത question. A reference is typewritten dash in a letter. Option A, left bottom of the letter. Option B, after the subject. Option C, top of the letter. Option D, before the subject. A reference is typewritten dash in a letter. Option B an answer, after the subject. അടുത്ത question. Which instrument is used for sign the stencil paper? Option A, inkjetter. Option B, marker. Option C, stylus pen. Option D, celluloid pen. Which instrument is used for sign the stencil paper? Option C an answer, stylus pen. അടുത്ത question. The width of ribbon in typewriter. Option A, ½ inch. Option B, 1 inch. Option C, 2 inch. Option D, 1½ inch. The width of ribbon in typewriter. Option A answer, ½ inch. അടുത്ത question. Which key should be used to get equal column? Option A, tab key. Option B, margin release key. Option C, shift key. Option D, space bar. Which key should be used to get equal column? Option D, A an answer, tab key. അടുത്ത question. Feed rolls are situated in. Option A, top of the cylinder. Option B, bottom of the cylinder. Option C, inside the carriage. Option D, under the type basket. Feed rolls are situated in. Option B answer, bottom of the cylinder. Other question. Ribbon position indicator is fixed on the. Option A, left side of the keyboard. Option B, right side of the keyboard. Option C, left side of the carriage. Option D, right side of the carriage. Ribbon position indicator is fixed on the right side of the keyboard. Option B ആണ് answer. അടുത്ത question. Hard cylinder is very useful for. Option A, typing manual. Option B, typing document. Option C, typing stencil. Option D, none of these. Hard cylinder is very useful for typing stencil. Option C ആണ് answer. അടുത്ത question. Draw code is also called. Option A, paper guide. Option B, side guide. Option C, draw band. Option D, draw lever. Draw code is also called draw band. Option C ആണ് answer. അടുത്ത question. The sender's address must be typed in the dash of the envelope. Option A, bottom. Option B, center. Option C, top. Option D, right. ഏതാണ് answer? Option A ആണ് answer, bottom of the envelope. അടുത്ത question. Rubber parts of the typewriter can be cleaned by using option A oil, option B diesel, option C water, option D petrol. Rubber parts of the typewriter can be cleaned by using petrol. Option D ആണ് answer. അടുത്ത question. Paper is pressed firmly to the dash. Option A carriage, option B cylinder, option C vibrator, option D ribbon. Paper is pressed firmly to the cylinder. Option B ആണ് answer. അടുത്ത question. When we activate paper release lever, feed rolls move a little dash. Option A downward, option B upward, option C horizontal, option D not move. When we activate paper release lever, feed rolls move a little downward. Option A ആണ് answer. അടുത്ത question. Dash character keys are seen in a keyboard. Option A 48, option B 46, option C 44, option D 38. Dash character keys are seen in a keyboard. Option C and answer 44. Other question. Paper side guide is seen dash. Option A center of the cylinder. Option B right side of the paper table. Option C left side of the paper table. Option D bottom of the paper table. Paper side guide is seen left side of the paper table. Option C ആണ് answer. അടുത്ത question. Cylinder is also known as option A draw cord, option B carriage, option B platen, option D draw band. Cylinder is also known as option C ആണ് answer platen. അടുത്ത question. Which is used to insert arrows and flowchart symbols in MS Word? Option A insert table, option B insert clip art, option C insert shapes, option D insert symbol. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് ആൻസർ, insert shapes. അടുത്ത question. In MS Word, which group is used to insert a picture/clip art? Option A table, option B merge, option C pages, option D illustrations. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് ആൻസർ, illustrations. അടുത്ത question. The best way to present data in an easy understandable manner in MS Word is a dash. Option A text, option B table, option C charts, option D numbers. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് ആൻസർ, charts. അടുത്ത question. Which feature is used to modify the shape of the text in MS Word? Option A clip art, option B word art, option C graphics, option D hyperlink. Which feature is used to modify the shape of the text in MS Word? Option B ആണ് answer, word art. അടുത്ത question. Name the floating text box that highlights a quote from the Word document. Option A slide bar, option B a pull quote, option C display box, option D text box in Word. Name the floating text box that highlights a quote from the Word document. Option A B and answer a pull quote. അടുത്ത question. Which is used to insert mathematical equations in Word document? Option A insert symbol, option B insert equation, option C insert signature line, option D insert math equation. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ, insert equation. അടുത്ത question. By default MS Word uses dash template. Option A normal, option B elegant, option C professional, option D contemporary. By default MS Word uses normal template. Option A ആണ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത question. Templates contains the dash information. Option A layout, option B design, option C normal, option D shortcut. Templates contains the layout information. Option A ആണ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത question. Name the utility needed to send and receive for fax messages in MS Word. Option A, Windows Fax and Scan. Option B, Microsoft Fax and Scan. Option C, Microsoft Exchange. Option D, Windows Exchange. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് ആൻസർ, വിൻഡോസ് ഫാക്സ് ആൻഡ് സ്കാൻ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Name the data type used to embed an object in the database. Option A, OLE. Option B, memo. Option C, auto-link. Option D, hyperlink. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് ആൻസർ, OLE. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Name the link that connects to another file. Option A, OLE. Option B, text. Option C, hyperlink. Option D, hypertext. Name the link that connects to another file. Option C and answer hyperlink. Other question. Field size is used to. Option A, set the field types. Option B, set the field name. Option C, set the number of characters. Option D, set number of decimal places. Field size is used to. Option C and answer set the number of characters. Option other question. What is the maximum field size for text data type? Option A, 126. Option B, 240. Option C, 255. Option D, 640. What is the maximum field size for text data type? Option C and answer 255. Other question. What will be displayed when the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is set to the text for @@@@@@@? Option A, 4, 5, 6, 7. Option B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Option C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Option D, @1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ C ആണ് ആൻസർ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. What will be displayed when the data hello is set to the text format symbol? Option A, hello. Option B, hello. Option C, hello symbol. Option D, hello. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി, ഹലോ ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. What will be displayed when the data 0.123c is set to the number of format symbol 0.00%? Option A answer. Option A 0.12. Option B 0.23. Option C 12.3. Option C D 12.3%. Option D ആണ് ആൻസർ, 12.3%. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Every record in a table must have a dash. Option A, foreign key. Option B, primary key. Option C, auto number. Option D, secondary key. Option B and answer primary key. Other question. In MS Access, when Control plus Home is pressed, what happens? Option A, moves to the first field in a record. Option B, moves the last field in a record. Option C, moves the first field in the first record of the table. Option D, moves to the last field in the last record of the table. Option C and answer, moves to the first field in the first record of the table. Other question. In MS Access, when Control plus and is pressed, what happens? Option A, moves to the first field in a record. Option B, moves to the last field in a record. Option C, moves to the first field in the first record of the table. Option D, moves to the last field in the last record of the table. Option D and answer, moves to the last field in the last record of the table. Other question. Edakkal caves are in option A, Kollam district. Option B, Wayanad district. Option C, Thrissur district. Option D, Kannur district. Edakkal caves are in option B and answer, Wayanad district. Other question. The Greek ambassador visited the court of Chandragupta Maurya. Option A, Phahian. Option B, Megasthenes. Option B, Nadir Shah. Option D, Nadir Shah. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ, മെഗാസ്റ്റൻസ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. When did the Konkan rail line become fully operational? Option A, January 15, 1958. Option B, January 26, 1998. Option C, October 1, 2002. Option D, April 1, 2003. Option B ആണ് ആൻസർ, January 26, 1998. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Which is the palace located on lake in India? Option A, Lehuk Palace. Option B, Lake Palace. Option C, Jal Mahal. Option D, Jahangiri Mahal. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ, ലേക്ക് പാലസ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Who had founded the modern kingdom of Travancore? Option A, Dharmaraja. Option B, Marthandavarma. Option C, Balaramarma. Option D, Ramavarma. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ, മാർത്താണ്ഡവർമ്മ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. In which year East India Company was brought under British parliamentary control? Option A, 1773. Option B, 1793. Option C, 1813. Option D, 1833. ഏതാണ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് ആൻസർ, 1773. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Who was the first Chief Justice of Kerala High Court? Option A, K. Shankaran. Option B, K.T. Koshi. Option C, M.S. Menon. Option D, P. Govindan Nair. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ, K.T. Koshi. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. What the foundations of Gandhian principles? Option A, capitalist. Option B, socialist. Option C, ethical. Option D, religious. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് ആൻസർ, ethical. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. The University of Kerala was established in the year. Option A, 1925. Option B, 1929. Option C, 1933. Option D, 1937. Option D answer, 1937. അടുത്ത question. In India, when did the second phase of COVID-19 vaccination start? Option A, December 2020. Option B, January 2021. Option C, February 2021. Option D, March 2021. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് ആൻസർ, മാർച്ച് 2021. അടുത്ത question. Total number of main mudras in Kathakali is a dash. Option A, 22. Option B, 24. Option C, 26. Option D, 28. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ, 24. അടുത്ത question. August 9, 1925 is known in the Indian history for which of the following incidences? Option A, Chauri Chaura incidents. Option B, Kakori train robbery. Option C, Jallianwala Bagh incidents. Option D, the siege of Kanpur. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ, കാക്കോരി ട്രെയിൻ റോബറി. അടുത്ത question. Who was the first governor of Kerala? Option A, Ajit Prasad Jain. Option B, V.V. Giri. Option C, Burgula Ramakrishna Rao. Option D, V. Vishwanathan. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് ആൻസർ, ബുർഗുല രാമകൃഷ്ണ റാവു. അടുത്ത question. For reforms in which among the following Hartog Commission was established? Option A, society. Option B, education. Option C, civil services. Option D, economic reforms. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ, education. അടുത്ത question. The temple entry proclamation was made in. The temple entry proclamation was made in. Option A, 1936. Option B, 1937. Option C, 1938. Option D, 1939. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് ആൻസർ, 1936. അടുത്ത question. The chief minister who became the chief minister for the maximum number of times? Option A, K. Karunakaran. Option B, E.K. Nayanar. Option C, A.K. Antony. Option D, E.M.S. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് ആൻസർ, കെ കരുണാകരൻ. അടുത്ത question. The K.R. Narayanan National Institute of Visual Science and Arts is located at option A Kottayam, option B പാലക്കാട്, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി കണ്ണൂർ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി കുമരകം. എവിടെയാണ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് ആൻസർ, കോട്ടയം. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Who had written the Malayalam epic novel Kayar? Option A N. Balamaniyamma, option B K.P. Kesavamenon, option C Thakazhi Sivasankarapillai, option D N. Balamaniyamma. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് ആൻസർ, തകഴി ശിവശങ്കരപ്പിള്ള. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Which among the following is not a work of Rabindranath Tagore? Option A The Gardener, option B Geetanjali, option C King of Dark Chamber, option D all of the above are works of Rabindranath Tagore. Option D an answer, all of the above are works of Rabindranath Tagore. Other question. Who is also known as the father of Malayalam language? Option A Poondanam, option B Ramapurathu Warrior, option C Ezhuthachan, option D Melpathur Narayana Bhattadiri. Option C an answer, Ezhuthachan. Other question. Who appoint the chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission? Option A Chief Justice of High Court, option B the Governor of the State, option C President, option D Chief Minister of the State. ആരാണ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ, ദ ഗവർണർ ഓഫ് ദ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ടോട്ടൽ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ എയർപോർട്ട്സ് ഇൻ കേരള ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 3, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 4, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 5, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 6. എത്രയാണ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ, 4. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Who among the following fixed August 16, 1946 as Direct Action Day? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru, option B Muslim League, option C British authorities, option D Mahatma Gandhi. Option B an answer, Muslim League. Other question. Which organization UNESCO has partnered with to celebrate India's rich cultural heritage? Option A Netflix, option B Amazon, option C Facebook, option D Google. Option A an answer, Netflix.